Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today, in this module, we are going to learn about the important basic terms used in accounting. First one is drawings. Drawings means the withdrawal of money or goods by the owner from the business for personal purpose. The term is known as drawings. Drawings reduces the investment of the owners. The owner of the business can withdraw money or goods from the business for personal purpose. If he withdraw money or goods for using personal purpose, the term will be considered as drawings. Next important term is goods. Goods refers to the products in which the business unit is dealing, that is, in terms which it is buying and selling or producing and selling. The items that are purchased for the use in the business are not called goods. For example, for a furniture dealer, purchase of chairs and tables is termed as goods, while for other it is furniture and it is treated as an asset. Similarly, for a stationery merchant, stationery is goods, whereas for others it is an item of expense, not purchases. Next item is purchases. Purchases are total amount of goods procured by a business on credit and on cash for use or sale. In a manufacturing concern, raw materials are purchased, processed further into finished goods, and then sold. Purchase may be cash purchases or credit purchases. Next item is sales. Sales means the total revenue from goods or services sold or provided to consumers. Sales may be cash sales or credit sales. Next important term is purchase return. Purchase return means when a creditor returned the purchased goods to the seller, the term is known as purchase return. Goods once purchased by the business are returned back due to any reason is called purchase return or return outwards. When goods once sold to the customer, these goods are returned back by them due to any reason, then such goods are called sales return or return inwards. Next item is stock. Stock is also known as inventory. Stock is a measure of something on hand. It may be goods, spares, and other items in a business. It is also called stock in hand or inventory. In a trading concern, the stock on hand is the amount of goods which are lying unsold as at the end of an accounting period. It is called closing stock or ending inventory. In a manufacturing company, closing stock comprises raw materials, semi finished goods, and finished goods on hand on the closing date. Similarly, opening stock, that is, stock at the beginning of the accounting period, is the amount of stock at the beginning of the accounting period. Revenue means these are the amounts of business earned by selling its products or providing services to customers. Other items of revenue common to many business are commission received, interest received, dividend received, royalties, rent received, etc. Revenue is also called income. Expenses means cost incurred by a business in the process of earning revenue. Generally, expenses are measured by the cost of assets consumed or services used during the accounting period. The usual items of expenses are depreciation provided, rent paid, wages paid, salary paid, interest paid, cost of heater, light and water, telephone expenses, advertisement expenses, etc. Expenditure means spending money or incurring a liability for some benefit. The term is known as expenditure. Purchase of goods purchase of machinery, purchase of furniture, etc. are the examples of expenditure. If the benefit of expenditure is exhausted within a year, it is treated as an expense. It is also called revenue expenditure. On the other hand, the benefit of an enterprise lasts for more than 1 year. It is treated as an asset, such as purchase of machinery, furniture, etc. This expenditure is also called capital expenditure. These are the basic terms used in accounting. Thank you.